With Constant Contact, there are a ton of ways that you can organize your contacts. Each method has its own benefits and means of use. But in this video, we'll go over creating and using tags with your contacts. Tags are another grouping method that can be used to build more specific or granular contact groups. Think of tags as a way to categorize your contacts separate from lists or segments. You might think of tags as a way to add small bits of information to your contacts in a way that can be used to send emails to them. For example, let's say you're running a coffee shop and you know that your loyal customer Dean only drinks French press coffee. You could create a tag called French Press Fans and assign that tag to Dean. As you come across more customers with their preferences, you could create tags and assign them accordingly without needing to change your typical list associations. Once you've built up a database of your espresso drinkers, French press fans, and latte lovers, you could send targeted emails to each of those tagged contact groups. And the benefit about using tags, people could enjoy both espresso and lattes and be tagged as someone that is interested in both. Now that you have a general understanding of how tags work, let's go over creating and managing tags in your account. To get started creating tags, click the Contacts tab,
Then click the three dots and choose Manage Tags.
From here, click Create. Enter the name of your tag here, then click Create. To assign your newly created tag to a contact, click the Contacts tab here and do a search for the contact you want to add the tag to. Once you've found your contact, click on them. In the Tags section, select your tag and then click Save. That's it, your contact is now tagged. And that's how easy it is to create and manage your tags with Constant Contact.